my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can low light your hair. If you guys can notice, my hair has become slightly darker. I have low lighted my hair using the Be Blunt Salon Secret Hair Colors. Now there are 7 shades in this. I am using a natural brown coffee 4.31 to just tone down my hair color. So all of the 7 shades are ammonia free. They give 100% grey coverage, which means they are great for all grey root touch-ups. It has a pretty cool shine tonic in it and the results last up to 8 weeks. So all of these 7 shades have been formulated to suit Indian skin tones. All the 7 shades are neutral to warm tone. There are undertones of mahogany, burgundy and gold in the colors, which will perfectly complement a lot of Indian skin tones. Quickly going over things that you'll need to low light your hair. You'll need a non-metallic bowl, a tail comb and a few clips. The mixing ratio is really simple. It's also mentioned in the manual. It's already pre-measured, so all you need to do is just empty everything out into a bowl and mix it really well. If you don't want to use up the entire product, use half the tube of the colorant, half of the developer and half of the shine tonic. Now let's start with the process because I can't wait to show you how easy it is. Begin by taking a natural middle parting and split your hair into 2 halves. Now clip one side away. What you need to do is take your tail comb and take a diagonal back section like this. Now take the section to the front. Like you can see, the lower bits of my hair had become too blonde, so I wanted to put a little bit of darkness in between them. So what I'm doing here is I'm weaving through the section, which means I am actually separating that section into 2 equal halves where I am going to have darker bits and lighter bits. Now I'm adding darker color to the section that I weaved out, which means I keep the lighter bit as well and tone half of it down into a darker color so that I get a contrast. I'm also using a toothbrush dipped into hair color. Now I'm doing this so that the color transitions really naturally from the natural color that I have to the color I'm applying. Quickly going over this once again, take a section and then weave it to as thick or fine as you like. Generously apply color to the bottom bits. Dip a toothbrush into the hair color and then just brush that against the 2 colors so that you see no separation between them. This will also make the color transition very easily and make it look really natural. Remember to generously emulsify the color on the bottom and then just lightly merge the previous color and the new color together. And I'm doing this because I'm toning the color down. I'm not making it really dark. So I really want a very natural and easy transition between all the colors that I have in my hair. So guys, you can go as thick or as fine as you like with the weaves. If your sections and weaves are thick and you're toning it down, which means you're adding darker color to it, so obviously you will see more darkness in your hair. If your weaves are fine like mine, which means you will see equal amount of darkness and lightness in your hair. So I'm going to be doing the exact same thing throughout my hair so that I get an even finish. Keep this in for about 30 minutes and then shampoo and condition normally. Like you guys can see, I really like how this has turned out. This has really helped in giving me that 2D sort of an effect that I was going for initially. It hasn't made my hair too dark. That was the only thing I was worried about. There is lighter bits also that I can see, but it has also toned down and given me that sort of a contrast and that transition between the lighter bits. As an added bonus, I'm going to create this hairstyle because I think it went perfectly with my new hair color. We're going to be doing a double French braid, which means you would be adding a section from the back into the middle section as well. So exactly how you do a French braid, where you add a section from the front into the middle section and braid it normally. Here you would be adding a section from the back as well into the middle section and braiding it normally. I'm sure you guys know the drill. I have done a French braid a number of times in all of my videos. So do this about 3 to 4 times till the top of your ear. Take the braid towards the back and just clip that with 2 bobby pins and cover it with some hair. Repeat the exact same thing on the other side. So like you guys can see, the color looks really natural. All the colors have transitioned into each other really naturally because of the process. It's making my hair color look natural and toned down just the way I wanted it. So guys, that's about it. I love my new hair color. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. Comment below and tell me if you want any other color related videos. I love you guys so much. Please subscribe to my channel and I'll see you all very soon. Bye!